we are willing to experiment and do things that our competitors are not.
Our relationship with our customers is very, very close.
We look forward, we're forward thinking.
We want to be the low-cost provider of the best quality products.
We put our customers first, and then we try to create the best product possible to help them out.
Compared with our competition, every one of our products has an advantage, and it's just getting the word out. This is MaxiLift.
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 MaxiLift manufactures elevator buckets.
We have an agricultural product line that is used in feed mills and the like, and then we have an industrial product line that is used in many applications, all the way from coal, rock, cement.
About 20 years ago, MaxiLift did a survey and found that more than 60% were not happy with the life of their elevator buckets.
Well, then I said, I am absolutely convinced that they are not looking for a cheaper elevator bucket. They are looking for an elevator bucket that will last.
And it was really key for us to focus on that and figure out how to replace what was currently available with something better.
And we came out with the Tiger Tough in 1996. It said we want to make something heavier, thicker, tougher, and last longer for our customers. That brand, the Tiger Tough, is an extremely strong brand name because people have an allegiance to it.
I used to work for 2 different grain elevator companies, and they both now specify MaxiLift buckets as their preferred bucket of choice.
We have documented cases where companies have purchased our products and the bucket has lasted 2, 3, 4, 5 times longer than their existing brand.
And every time it comes up the same. You know, if you spend the money with me today, then I'll save you money 2, 3, 10 years down the road, whatever it is.
And that's what MaxiLift is about, is responding to the customer's needs, making modifications, and that's what I like about the company. Always something new, something exciting going on.
This is Southwest Agri-Plastics.
This is Southwest Agri-Plastics.
This is Southwest Agri-Plastics.
One of the things people don't know about Southwest Agri-Plastics is how diverse the product line offerings are. From trucking device parts to horticulture parts to swine products, poultry products. That is because we simply looked in the industry to find products that we thought we could offer a better solution out of plastics.
It's really allowed us to reach out on an international basis and go deeper into the industries in which we're active.
Our goal is to create a product that will last them for a very long time so they're not having to worry about replacing it, and also help them get a better yield on their animals.
More often than not, a customer comes and visits and they say, gosh, I had no idea that y'all made so many different kind of products.
I think the motto that Vic's always had is making hardworking products for hardworking people.
At the end of the day, it's not about how fast our machines are or how high-tech our computer system is. It's the people that drive those.
This is a company that spent a lot of time on hiring the right people, training the right people, and putting them in positions so that they can be successful.
They look at potential employees as family members.
It's a family atmosphere.
We are a big family, and I know everybody says that as kind of a cliche, but it is the truth about this company.
It's not like work anymore. It's like you come to, leave one home to come to another.
We're all friendly, joke around, but we also get our job done.
Individuals can kind of do their own things and grow in their own areas, and we really expect that out of our people.
If there's something we can do today, let's get it done today. Let's not wait till tomorrow.
All you have to do is do it.
Each person pushes the next person. Let's get this done, let's move on. And no one wants to feel like they're the person that's holding up the ship. So it's a very powerful, can-do, determined attitude that our people have.
Customers are our lifeblood. They're really the center of our company.
I care about every single one of them.
We treat our customers as we would want to be treated.
It's very important for us to know what our customers are feeling, how the environment's affecting what their business model is, so that we can help solve their problems.
I have many of them that I know on a name-to-name basis. They call me call me by name and know who they're talking with. I've dealt with them for the last, now going almost 10 years.
One of the first things that people say to us is, I love the fact that when I call your office, someone actually speaks to me. I don't talk to a computer.
It's all about the customer, and when the customer calls in and needs something, everybody stops what they're doing to respond.
We try to figure out our customers' problems before they're actually problems for our customer.
Many of our current products that we offer are simply something that was developed because one of our customer service people was listening to their customer on the phone.
We're a very, very innovative company.
We're always looking for a better way to do something.
Product development is the key thing. That's what set us apart in the last 10 years.
It will not be complacent. It will not rest on its laurels on what we did yesterday. We'll constantly look to be innovative, make new products, make our current products better, faster, cheaper than we did the day before, and continue to serve our customer the way they want to be served.
I know who we are, and I'm not bragging. It's a matter of fact. If you can back it up, you're not bragging. We got our A game on.
This is MaxiLift. This is Southwest Agri-Plastics.